TikTok Ads Guide: 3 Hidden Steps to Get High Impact. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Setiawan Zeni TV. Today we're gonna talk about TikTok Ads Guide: 3 Hidden Steps to Get High Impact. TikTok Ads Guide, TikTok Ads Guidelines, Dropshipping TikTok Ads Guide, My Low Budget TikTok Ads Dropshipping Guide, TikTok Ads Full Guide, TikTok Ads Business Manager, TikTok Ads Threshold, Create TikTok Ads Account, TikTok Ads Location Targeting, How to Scale TikTok Ads. Setiawan Zeni TV. Here's a tutorial on running TikTok ads. Step 1. Define your objectives. Before you start creating TikTok ads, clearly define your objectives. Do you want to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or generate leads? Understanding your goals will help you create more effective ads. Step 2. Set a budget. Since you have a low budget, it's important to set a realistic spending limit. Determine how much you can afford to spend on TikTok ads. You can start with a small budget and gradually increase it based on the performance of your ads. Step 3. Create a TikTok ads account. To create a TikTok ads, you need to set up a TikTok ads account. Visit the TikTok Ads Manager website and sign up using your TikTok account. Once you have registered, you'll gain access to the Ads Manager dashboard. Step 4. Choose your ad campaign objective. In the Ads Manager dashboard, click on Create to start a new ad campaign. TikTok offers various objectives such as reach, traffic, app installs, and conversions. Select the objective that aligns with your goals. Step 5. Define your target audience. Identify your target audience based on factors such as age, location, interests, and behavior. TikTok provides targeting options to help you reach the right audience for your ads. Make sure to refine your targeting to maximize the impact of your ads. Step 6. Create compelling ad content. TikTok is a platform known for its creative and engaging content. Design attention-grabbing ads that resonate with your target audience. Keep your videos short, entertaining, and visually appealing. Use text overlays, music, and effects to make your ads more engaging. Step 7. Set ad placement and budget. Choose where you want your ads to appear on TikTok. You can opt for automatic placements or manually select specific placements. Since you have a low budget, it's recommended to start with automatic placements for broader reach. Set your daily or lifetime budget based on your allocated budget. TikTok Ads Guide, TikTok Ads Guidelines, Dropshipping TikTok Ads Guide, My Low Budget TikTok Ads Dropshipping Guide, TikTok Ads Full Guide, TikTok Ads Business Manager, TikTok Ads Threshold, Create TikTok Ads Account, TikTok ads location targeting. How to scale TikTok ads. Setiawan Zeni TV. And these are the three steps. And these are the three steps that people often miss to get high impact. Step 1. Monitor and optimize. Once your ads are live, regularly monitor their performance. Analyze metrics such as impressions, click-through rates, and conversions. Identify which ads are performing well and adjust your budget accordingly. Experiment with different targeting options, ad formats, and creatives to find what works best for your campaign. Step 2. Test, iterate, and scale. With a low budget, it's essential to test different ad variations and iterate based on the results. Refine your targeting, messaging, and visuals to improve performance. As you find winning ad combinations, gradually increase your budget to scale your successful campaigns. Step 3. Track results and ROI. Continuously track and measure the results of your TikTok ad campaigns. Calculate your return on investment ROI to evaluate the effectiveness of your ads. Adjust your strategies based on the data you gather to improve your future campaigns. Remember, TikTok ads are just one part of your overall marketing strategy. Consider integrating TikTok ads with other channels to amplify your reach and maximize results. TikTok Ads Guide. TikTok Ads Guidelines. Dropshipping TikTok Ads Guide. My Low Budget TikTok Ads Dropshipping Guide. TikTok Ads Full Guide. TikTok Ads Business Manager. TikTok Ads Threshold. Create TikTok Ads account. TikTok Ads Location Targeting. How to scale TikTok ads. Setiawan Zeni TV. That's it. Follow these steps to get started with TikTok ads on a low budget. Good luck with your advertising efforts.